Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how to create a tab groups in our Google Form. So for this, first of all we need to go to the Chrome. Here you can see there are the multiple tabs are open, but I want to create a one single group for all these tabs. How I can do this? Simply I need to hover on any tab and then the right click. Here we need to add a group. There's the option add to group, but I don't have any group, so I'm going to give the name spot here and giving the color a red. Here I can create the red and save as group. Okay, so my this tab is saved in the group. So this is my another tab and I want to add this tab to a group. Here's the group name. I simply need to add it here, and same for this I need to add in the sport group. So by using this, we can simply add multiple tabs into one single group. Here you can see all my tabs are added in the one single group. By clicking on one here, you can see now there is no tab, but when I click on this single group, I can see all my tabs are in open. So by using this simple step, you can convert your tabs into a one group by easily one single click. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take